Hey, to perform the hard reset of your Sony WF-1000XM5, first of all you will have to actually input both earbuds inside this charging case. Now you will have to actually recharge this case for like 5 to 10 minutes by using USB-C cable or wireless charger, and then you will have to open this case, keep both earbuds inside, and you have to click and hold this back button. Click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking red. So first it will actually start blinking blue, but after holding this button for like 10 to 15 seconds it will actually give us the red light. So keep holding. There we go. Now it will blink for like 8 to 9 times and it will disappear. So now we can release this button, and all we can do right now is just to enter for the pairing mode again by holding this back button and wait for the blue light. There we go. Now release and connect with any other device one more time. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.